What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm bringing you another 10-minute sketch to ink of another one of my favorite characters, the Punisher. But before we get started, remember, guys, smack that like button, leave a comment, click and subscribe. Any feedback will be appreciated. All right. If you look here, my iPad, set to 10 minutes, and it is ready to go. Battery's a little low, just need to plug it in right here. Before I press the start button, I just want to make sure I have my hand and my pencil in hand. But with this one, it's a lot of black, so I'm going as quick as I can from sketch to ink. And without further ado, let's go. I usually try to get an initial sketch done before we hit that 5-minute mark. This time, I'm going for even quicker than that. All right, let's go. Okay, I think that is good enough. Forgot about the pistol. Make sure we have enough here for the pistol. Time is still looking good. All right, might have spent a little too much time on that pistol, but without further ado, let's just go. Let's just go for it. I didn't really detail out the face because I'm just putting my faith in my pencil game. my inking game. I'm just trusting that I put all the pieces in the right place. So let's just go. Usually in my previous videos, I did all the detailing. Now I'm just coming with my outline, and we are gonna see right now if I have all the pieces in place when I come back in for the final details. I think this way kind of forces me to get the details right. So let's go. One thing you got to remember, it's no returning. So usually what I do here is just going to set the pace, because I'm more than likely I'm not going to return to anything I do here. So make sure you just get it right. Come back in with the Sharpie very quickly. That's it right there. This goes up a bit on the neck. All right, make sure I just get the skull in place. Hold on. The main thing about the Punisher is that skull. Time just flies. All right, time just flies. 39 seconds. See how fast time flies? All right, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Let's just go. Maybe my next drawing, I'm gonna put 15 minutes. I think we'll see what I get out in 15. But 10 is not too bad. A little bit over 10. All right, guys, we're just gonna add a couple of more of these. No final details here. Do a quick sign. And we'll call that the 10.5-minute Punisher. Hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.